Hey guys, welcome back to Rose Trading Journal. This is day 2 of the $10 to 1K challenge. Um, Today we'll be looking at V25. Currently, right now, it's about 2 a.m. in the morning. So let's get right into it. So basically, I'm expecting a sell trade. I'm drawing up my support area here and also my resistance area. Just by looking at the candlesticks, we see that we kind of have like a bearish flag pattern. So I'm drawing up my key level here, and I'm expecting price to just continue downwards. I'm drawing where the market could go to. That's my next level. I'm looking for a market to take out these liquidity spots right there, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm looking for a sell trade. As we go on the bigger time frame, we're overall we're in an uptrend, but we're in a pullback with a downtrend right now. So I'll explain that later on, and you can see clearly what's going on. So I'm going to go to my real account. So yesterday we ended at $16.63. Going on our daily charts, so we're able to see where we are. We're up $6 right now. So we basically, and this is probably the first day, so we're way past it. So I'm going to go to my multiplier this time, and I'm going to be risking $2 at 1,000 leverage. So I'm risking $2 as I'm entering this trade. I was hoping to hold this trade for the entire night, probably wake up in the morning and I should hit take profit. Yeah, that's basically it to enter the trade. As you can see, we have a consolidation, a strong bearish push. We'll break that kind of key level right there, and we're looking to take profit at the bottom there. So as you can see, guys, we're in an uptrend overall, but we're trading the pullback leg, which is where we are now. So as you can see, I'm looking for it to come a bit further down. So we should be able to take some profit. I'm expecting to hold it, like I said, for the entire day. Alright, so as you can see, guys, I entered the trade. My only concern though is that I entered the trade a bit late. If we look where 21, 22 price is, that's where my stop loss is. Currently my stop out is below that. So you see where I hover over where I enter, the stop out is at 21.19. So that's a bit tight stop loss. Right, so on the D trader, I'm just doing further markups to say if price goes above here, that is my cue to close the trade. So I'm really concerned about where price is going to go. Like if it retraces back, I'm most likely to be stopped out. So my stop out or my stop loss should really be above really be where 21, 22 is, right above those high points there. So I know later on that we might get a pullback into that area and my stop loss will get hit. But we're going to hold the trade and see what happens. So looking back at the charts, we're in a downtrend and we're expecting price to push further down. Right, so when we look back at our daily target, we'll have $14.63. We started with $10, so we're up. Right, as you look to our left, our earnings each day is $1.60. So today is May 9th. All we need to earn is $1.60, and right now we're up $4. So all the way to May 16th is where we're at now. So we're way past our goal. right? Looking back at the chart, we're going to see where that box is right there. That is where we're heading. So we want to figure out how much money from our entry to that point is going to take us. So I'm thinking from where we enter, it should be about $10. So apply, and that's going to be our take profit. Right, so if we hold this trade all the way to that point, it should be $10 profit, and that should run us about 24, maybe $28. Looking back at our daily earning sheet, we're way advanced, but we're going to take our time, and we're only risking $2, and we're going to try day by day just to manage our risk. So back to our trading on the D-Trader, I'm really concerned about where for my stop loss. What usually tends to happen though, we have a breaker structure, and what usually happens, two things: we have a liquidity sweep back up to our favorable gap and a continuation, but currently price is pushing down, right? I'm really concerned again about my stop loss. My stop loss should really be above those swing highs. However, I'm going to put my resistance area here. So if price goes above that area, you know that I have to close out my trade, and then we enter back into the market. So on the overall daily time frame, guys, you can see that we're in an uptrend, right? Clearly making high highs, right, and higher lows. Cool. Right above here, not exactly right here. I would say the next leg, that will probably be equal highs, but the next leg will definitely have a breaker structure, right? At that point, we definitely have a market structure shift, right? We're maintaining that level down there at the bottom. We're in an uptrend, right, but we're in a pullback phase. So the pullback phase, that's the sell that we're taking right now. So this could probably last for the rest of the week, all the way into the weekend. So that is why I'm taking this trade. Right, again, that is the pullback leg, continuation upwards. So that is my reason for taking the trade. Going back down on our smaller time frame, I'm seeing a flag pattern. I'm looking for price to break through my trend line right there and to continue down. Alright guys, so we're in the trade, and right now we're experiencing a pullback. Remember, my stop loss is already too tight. So at this point, this is where my psychology comes through. So I'm saying, if I get a candle close above that support resistance level, and I'm going to close, right? Still trying to maintain composure. A lot of the times at this moment, sometimes we get frantic. Price is coming back up, right? We'll probably even be in a negative. But if we don't stay calm or we don't understand what we're doing, we're going to probably close out the trade. I can't be a consistent trader. Right now I'm in the negative, right? I'm still following my rule. I'm waiting for this candle to close, right, above my resistance support line. Already I'm negative 60, as you can see, and I'm risking $2. I'm right there on $1 negative, right? I'm still holding, still waiting for the candle to close, not exiting the trade, right? And the amount that you're risking, you have to be okay with losing it. Again, we're $14 up. Even if we lose this trade, we're still good. You understand? We can live to trade another day. So I'm still waiting. I noticed that price is not going any higher. That is why I didn't close, right? Price is continuing to come back down, and once I'm back in green, it made me a bit more easy, and I just let the trade run. So that's what's happening right now. So I'm expecting a push and a continuation to the downside. So I'm going to speed up this section and I'm going to make it play out. As you can see, we're getting a strong push to the downside. Right now it's like 3 a.m. in the morning, 2 a.m. around there. So I'm contemplating if I should let this run, come back in the morning and see how it plays out. But my only problem is where my stop loss is. I think I might close it out. I'm not sure. I might close it out because I know this is going to retrace back and probably take me out. So let's see what happens.